In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Notifications right away. Now select App Notifications at the top, and when you're ready, click on All available at the top left corner of this section. Then click one of those options to see all of your apps, apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, or apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip: most people forget that you can also tap on any app on the left. Turn on or off app notifications thanks to this switcher, but also check out all of those options about notifications visibility. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!